Hi guys, welcome back to Momstein. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about exercises to reverse tech neck. Tech neck, that's its stoop posture that you get because of using your devices for a long period of time, be it your system or your mobile. This posture is called tech neck and we're going to be talking about that today. So let's get started.
Welcome to Momstein.
So ever since this lockdown started and people are working from home, I'm getting a lot of cases of upper back spasm and chronic dull headaches over here. After ruling out other causes like blood pressure and anxiety and migraine, tech neck is my diagnosis. And these can be simply reversed by a few exercises that you can do daily. It does not require any equipment. It does not require even much time. Before moving on, the best position for you to sit and work in is at a slightly reclining posture at 20 to 25 degrees with adequate lower back support, which is called the lumbar support. So your chair should be that way. Sitting upright straight thinking that will reverse tech neck and lower back pain is absolutely wrong because that puts abnormal pressure on the discs between your spine. So just avoid that and go for a good lumbar support chair to get the best posture while you work for long hours on your system. Joining me today is Lavi Purohit, who is a model and a fitness enthusiast. I have linked her Instagram down below. So let's start with the first exercise, which is the Brahmasana. This will work as a warm-up for you. Brahma is the God, all-seeing, all-hearing God. So in this pose, you look to the right and then you come back to neutral. Look the other way, come back to neutral. Look up, come back to neutral. Look down, come back to neutral. It opens up these muscles, it warms them up, and this posture has to be done without any jerks. Very gently move your neck. That's about it. The next exercise is also a sort of a warm-up. This is the shoulder rotation. Place your palms on your shoulder and rotate till your elbows meet and rotate back. Do 10 such rotations clockwise and 10 such rotations anti-clockwise. This will open up your shoulders and your upper chest and reverse this hunch where the chest closes up. So this helps in opening that up. Then the next pose is called the chin tuck. Now this is a little unflattering. You're purposely giving yourself a double chin, but it works wonders. So look straight. Your line of sight should be parallel to the ground. Look straight and just pull your head backwards to give yourself a double chin. That's it. This is called the chin tuck. This exercise is wonderful. It is really simple but increases spinal awareness, aligns your neck back with your spine, and it also reverses the effect of the tech neck. The next exercise is called the isometric neck roll. Now, what is the meaning of the word isometric in this? The muscle is working, but it is not stretching. It is not moving. That is what is isometric. So a good example of an isometric exercise would be a plank. A plank is a whole body workout. It strengthens your core, it tones your abdomen. But are you moving anything in a plank? Nope. So plank is a very good example of an isometric exercise. And what I'm going to teach you now is the isometric neck roll. So you roll your neck to the side and that's your neck roll. Now oppose this action with your hand and don't let your neck move. That becomes your isometric neck roll. You can do 10 to 15 repetitions of this on either side, and it is great for reducing neck pain, especially if you feel neck pain because of a long day at work. Make sure you do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side of this exercise. Now our next exercise is the neck extension. Lock your fingers and place your hands behind your neck and extend against it. It will strengthen the back muscles of the neck. Make sure you push your elbows back as much as you can. It helps in opening the shoulders and the chest. The next pose is the Kati Vakrasana or the spinal twist. Lie on your back. Place your arms extending to the side and your feet flat on the ground with your knees flexed. Turn your head towards one side and your knees towards the other. You don't need to touch the ground. Hold for 2 to 3 breaths and then come to neutral. This will tone your abdomen, it will increase spinal flexibility, and it will also reverse the effect of the tech neck. The next exercise, you need to get off your yoga mat for this one. These are the wall slides. Your heels, your buttocks, your upper back, and your elbows are against the wall. If you cannot put your heels against the wall, but at least your buttocks and your shoulder blades and your head should be touching the wall. As you practice more, you can make sure your heels are also touching. In this exercise, we're aligning everything in one straight line and we're challenging our shoulder and upper back. So place your arms against the wall in the shape of a W. You see, a W is being formed here. Now extend it, it becomes a Y. W, Y. So do these wall slides, do 10 to 15 repetitions and you're golden. The next exercise is the pectoral stretch. Now what happens in this exercise? You stretch your arm behind your body against the wall and the same side leg comes forward. Now it's as if you're tugging and that stretches your pectorals, which is the chest muscle. The same exercise can be done with a door frame where both sides are being stretched, as you can see. The next exercise is called the dupatta tug. Hold the dupatta and go behind. This helps in opening the chest, it reverses the effect of neck and it helps you reverse the stooped posture. If you try and do it without a dupatta, it's going to be really difficult, so make sure you have a nice dupatta at hand. That's all for today from Momstein. In next week's video, I'm going to be talking about exercises you can do while sitting at your workplace. Please make sure you like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, it's a wrap. Bye-bye.